Assalamualaikum. Hi, I am Nahida Akhtar, lecturer of Management Department, Dhaka Women College, Uttara Dhaka. Welcome to you all to my online classroom. Dear student, I hope that you all are safe and healthy. Still, you have to be more careful because the number of corona patients are increasing day by day. Today I will discuss with you about chapter 10 from course of Business Communication of BBA second year in Management. As you all know, for the corona pandemic, our educational institutions are closed from 17th March 2020. Before that, we have completed chapter 9. So I will discuss about chapter 10. As you all know, you have to answer this course in full English. So I will give my lecture in English but in easier way. I hope you all understand. So let's start. Our today's class is chapter 10. Chapter's name is letter writing. In the chapter letter writing, firstly, we know what is letter. You all know letter is a written method of communication, usually regard an envelope and sent by post. It's called letter. Why you know here letter writing? Because letter are mainly two types. Personal letter, one is personal letter, another is business letter. Personal letter is not more important for your study, but you all know what is personal letter. Personal letter means when we communicate with our family members, friends and relatives, etc. For the purpose of our feelings, sadness, happiness, is called personal letter. Personal letter is not more important for your study. Your study's more important topic is business letter. Business letter is the weapon of business communication. Now we know what is business letter. Business letter, when a letter is written for the purpose of business or purpose trade or trader activities, is called business letter. Business letters main weapons is in communication. Business letters are also many kinds, as like 9 types. Those are circular letter, number 1, circular letter, number 2, inquiry letter, number 3, quotation letter, number 4, order letter, number 5, confirmation letter, number 6, order refusal or cancellation letter, number 7, complaint letter, number 8, adjustment letter, and number 9, collection letter. From here, we cannot give importance every topic. From this classification, we give important or give need mainly 5 topics, as like number 1, circular letter, number 2, inquiry letter, number 3 order letter, number 4, complaint letter, and number 5 collection or dunning letters. Those letters are coming many years in national universities BBA exam. So firstly we know circular letter. What is circular letter? From the quotation we know well. Circular letter, circular letter is one which is sent to many people at same time. It's called circular letter. Circular letter is a mass communication. Circular letter used for vacancy, institutional vacancy, desert sale or purchase, sale by post, report regarding investigation for sale following the investigation report, otherwise conveniencing people to come to outlet, as like opening new branch. At last to say, circular letter is the most important for creation goodwill of a company. So circular letter is most important. You must be know what is circular letter and why is circulate. Then our second topic is inquiry letter. Inquiry letter, when what is inquiry letter? When we write an inquiry letter, another businessman or seller, at first we know what is inquiry letter. When a buyer send a letter to a producer or seller of a product or service to know about in details is called inquiry letter. Inquiry letter have many forms, as like solicited, unsolicited, inquiry for favor. Then another is routine inquiry. Okay. Our next topic is order letter. When company write a order letter, you must be known. Order letter is the most important letter of a company. What is order letter? A letter which carries message to the seller requesting him to send the specific good or started terms and condition agreed upon previously. Order letter, two types. First one is formal order letter, second one is informal order letter. You have to know, considering factors of order letter. There are many considering factors in order letter, as like number one, thanks for sending quotation. Direct order as like please ship, please send, etc. is direct order. It must be polite. Number three, information about the time being ordered. Number four, mode of carriage or transportation. Carriage means transportation. Number five, time of delivery. That means which date is delivery your product. Number six, information relating to payment. That means when your payment receive you. Number seven, information relating to shipment or shipping. Number four important topic is complaint letter. Complaint letter is quotation from very clear for us. When a company write a complaint letter, at first you know what is complaint letter. Complaint letter, the letter which customer make complaint to the seller of goods is known as complaint letter. To avoid this inconvenience, customer inform to seller or to the transport authority. Complaint letter are made for supplying low quality product, carrying or searching high price, low quality packaging, damage like damage of product due to poor packing, etc. You are the customary mistake. In business, mistake is common, and mistake is a common and natural thing. Thought both of parties are careful. Complaint letters has many considering factors. Factors to be considering in drafting complaint letters. Direct language, as like those companies have many must be a direct language. Second question is specific causes of complaint. Number three হচ্ছে nature, amount of loss. Number four, possible readme. Number 5, requesting. Number 6, documentary profile. Number 7, controlling agree, etc. are the considering factors of a complaint letter. Number 5 is 5 of our importance. This is a collection or darling letter. Collection letter is more important for the business. We know business main object is earning profit. When a businessman sell or buy a product for the purpose of earning profit, that's why collection letter or dunning letter is most important for the business. First, we must know what is collection letter. Collection letter or dunning letter are written for the purpose of reminding the payment of dues. Businessmen or supplier send this letter to their customer or buyer. In today's world, credit sale is done in huge or large amount. In case the credit sale give a certain period to buyer payment of dues. If buyer delay, then there create problem and sellers need to write collection or dunning letter. Dunning letter have many considering factors. Those are classification of customers, language of seller, language of a letter, persuasion, then indication of action, maintaining secrecy, maintaining those relationship. Those mean both business relationship. Though when you write a dunning letter, it must be contain a series or a stage or method. Series is the most important for your question. As like number 1, sending statement of account. What is your amount? Firstly, you send statement of account. Number 2, reminders. Number 3, inquiry. Number 4, apply. Number 5, warning and ultimatum. Those are series of a collection letter. Collection letter is most important for the profit earn. As like company continue his business for the earning profit and earning money. That's why collection letter is more important. When you must letter a collection or dunning letter, you must be reminded for of those series. So student, I hope so it is enough for you all for the chapter. But you have to see or analyze each letter's sample or specimen. That means you have to learn all the letter writing method. So no more today. Dear student, stay safe and stay home. Don't go outside without your without your more need in the pandemic period. So Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.